What are you doing? So, my dear people, why we are here? Yes, we are here to discuss some policies. What kind of policies these are?
Your Excellency, the day will change you to night and night will change you to day.
Oh yes, day will be changed to night and night will be changed to day. Do you get that?
Yes.
Yes. Really, that's a great idea. The day will come into night and night will come into day. Wow.
What is talking about?
My lord, I can tell what he's talking about.
So, who are you?
I am your minister.
My sister?
No, your minister.
Who is he?
I am your Chapu's minister.
Oh yes.
So,
Tell.
my dear people, he's saying that. What are you saying? Okay. He's saying that the day will be changed into night and night will change to day is a great idea for our kingdom. Praise the king. Praise the queen. Praise the king.
One day a teacher and his disciple arrives in this kingdom. They thought it would be like the same, but they were wrong.
Hey Aman, you notice something? There is no one in this village.
Yes sir, I noticed.
So go and check, there is someone. What? Where are all the citizens? We should find someone to ask.
The sun hasn't set yet.
Excuse me, can you tell me what is going on?
Oh, yeah. This is a great kingdom. Here, the everything costs only 1 coin, and the day has turned into night, and night has turned into day.
What?
Yes,
This is the new laws.
yes.
I think the king is foolish, very
No,
foolish.
he is very smart.
What?
Yes.
I think the old citizens are also foolish. We should leave immediately. Aman,
No
you,
sir.
you are not understanding.
No sir.
The foolish decision always make us in danger.
No sir.
Aman, we
Please,
should
please
leave.
stay. No,
You are not
sir.
understanding. Aman, we
No
should
sir.
leave.
No
Aman,
sir.
we should leave.
No sir. Okay sir. Bye bye sir. I will enjoy here.
One day a thief tried to enter the merchant's house. The weak wall collapsed and the thief died.
Knock knock.
Who's there? Yes.
Hello, my name is George. My brother has died because your wall is so weak.
What are you saying? Why are you blaming me?
Because your wall is so weak.
So then what should I do?
What should I do? See him. What should I do? My brother has died because your wall is so weak.
I don't build that wall. The bricklayer built it, not me.
I go to court.
Okay, even king will know I am innocent.
I will see you.
Okay, I will also see you.
I will see you.
I will also see you.
I will see you.
I will also see you.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Queen.
Wake up, king. What are you doing? He is here.
My Lord, my brother died because the merchant's wall is so weak. I need justice, my Lord. Please, my Lord. My brother's died. Please, give me my justice, my Lord.
You will get justice. Tell me in detail what happened.
My brother died because the merchant's wall is so weak.
You will get justice. You will get justice. Can't you see? A thief is right there. Call that merchant.
Call that merchant.
Soldiers, call the merchant. Praise the king, praise the queen.
Are you that merchant?
Yes, your majesty.
Because of you, a thief died.
No, your majesty, I am innocent.
You are the real culprit.
No, your majesty, I am innocent. The bricklayer built the wall, not me.
So the bricklayer is the real culprit.
Yes, your majesty.
Soldiers, call that bricklayer.
Good, you are getting the things.
Where are you taking me? Leave me! Stop it! I am innocent.
Are you that bricklayer?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Because of you, a thief died.
Your Majesty, I am innocent. I didn't do anything.
You are the real culprit. You built that wall of the merchant's house.
Indeed, I built every wall in this village.
But you are the real culprit. That wall was built by you.
Every wall in this village is so strong, they survive the toughest storm. But how can this happen?
I don't know, but you are the real culprit.
Your Majesty, I remember one thing. There was a dancing girl. She distracted me.
A dancing girl?
Yes.
Call that
Call
dancing
that
girl.
dancing girl.
Yes, Your Lord.
Are you the dancing girl? Are you the dancing girl?
Yes, my Lord.
You are the real culprit.
No, I am innocent.
Because of you, a thief died.
No, my Lord.
You distracted that bricklayer.
No, I remember I had to go to the goldsmith every day. He delayed in returning my jewelry.
A goldsmith? Goldsmith? So the real culprit is goldsmith. Call that goldsmith. What are you waiting for?
Call that goldsmith, soldiers.
Call the goldsmith.
Praise the king, praise the queen.
Are you goldsmith?
Yes, my lord.
Is this real gold?
Yes, my lord.
Is this real gold?
Yes, my lord.
Is this real diamond?
Yes, my lord.
But you distracted that bricklayer. Because of you, that thief died.
No, my lord, I am innocent.
No, you are not innocent. You are the real culprit.
No, my lord. I am innocent because the merchant gave me more work.
A merchant. So audience, who is the real culprit? Who will call the merchant?
Call the merchant.
Because of you, a thief died.
No, Your Majesty, I'm innocent.
You are the real culprit.
No.
Now you will be hanged on.
No, please leave me. Sorry.
Take her.
Take her to the stake.
Leave me. Leave me. Leave me, please. I'm innocent. Leave me.
It was decided to put the merchant on the stake, but the merchant was too thin for the stake. So king ordered to find a fat man who is fit for the stake.
My lord, the merchant is not fit for the stake.
Oh, merchant is not fit for the stake.
Yes, my lord.
So find a person who is fit for the stake.
Take the person who is fit for stake.
So you are fit for the stake.
No, my lord, I do not.
You will be hanged on. Hang him on.
Hang him on.
Wait, my lord, stop. Stop, my lord.
Do you know the punishment of stopping a
Yes,
train?
my lord. But you know one thing.
No, I don't know anything.
Whoever die on this stake will become the king in next birth.
Oh, really?
Yes, my lord. Today is a very lucky day.
So I should be hanged on that. So in next birth, I could be king.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
No, king, we both should be hang on.
No, you will not be king.
No, my lord, you will be king and I am your merchant.
Okay, let's go together.
The foolish king and the minister lost their lives because of their own stupidity. From this story, we get a moral that always think before making decisions. Like a foolish king can make his kingdom also fall. Thank you.